Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage who can see your inventory on your account on Roblox, easy and quick. First click settings, now click privacy. Now here we'll find it who can see my inventory, click on it, and here as you see you can manage it. You can manage who can see your inventory on your account on Roblox, easy and quick, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.